Artoonza.
Train drawing for kids just got wild. Who knew the number 5 could moonlight as a train track? 6 fives. Boom! Instant railway. Add glitter hearts, a naughty vacuum trying to steal the sparkle, and color injections dripping like confetti. Toss in glossy nail polish for that shiny show-ready finish. And suddenly, this isn't just a train drawing tutorial. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. It's a full-on art party on wheels. Stick around, because this silly little train is about to steal your heart and maybe your crayons, too. Choo-choo Sparkle Crew. This train isn't just on tracks. It's strutting down a glitter runway, and we're the fabulous fashion designers. Give us your like. 6 brave 5s reporting for train duty. Respect the formation. 6 5s. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Red paint drops incoming. Color injections. 1 tiny drop. Maximum giggle dosage. It looks like the train just ordered strawberry juice delivery. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. Splish, splash. Here comes the sky in a bottle. Our train is basically swimming now. Red and blue color injections dropping like confetti. This is not just a train, it's a fashion show on tracks.
Aww, so cute.
Outline time, because even silly trains need a dramatic eyeliner moment. Sunshine drop attack. This train is officially brighter than my future. Color, color, color. All aboard the 6 5s Express. Who knew a kid's drawing with number 5 could turn into a glitter train this fabulous? This is so amazing. Okay, shiny train, be kind, be cute, and bring back extra smiles. Give us a big thumbs up. Sky blue polish on a train. Who said only nails get to look fabulous?
Wow!
It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. That's enough. My hands are starting to shake. Green polish power? This train just turned into a rolling cucumber with style. Don't be shy, color high. Smash that like button now. Pink sparkle alert! Our train is now ready for the world's cutest fashion runway. Glossy nail polish finish. Because every kid's train drawing deserves to shine brighter than your mom's manicure. Another green splash, because 1 shade of green wasn't enough for this diva train.
Aww, so cute.
I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. Chocolate polish finale. Sweet, glossy, and good enough to eat. But please don't. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.